Chapter 3: The Acid-Base Chemistry. Introduction. We come across various food ingredients with different tastes in our daily life. For example, substances which taste sour like oranges, grapes, lemon, amla, etc. have acidic ingredients, whereas substances which taste bitter like turnips, spinach, broccoli, etc. have alkaline ingredients. Acids are sour in taste and corrosive in nature. Bases are bitter to taste, corrosive in nature, and soapy to touch. The bases soluble in water are known as alkali. Indicators. Indicators are substances that indicate the acidic and basic nature of compounds. These can be natural substances such as rose petals, turmeric, beetroot, etc., termed as natural indicators, or chemical substances such as phenolphthalein, methyl orange, eosin, etc., termed as synthetic indicators. Mixture of many indicators is known as universal indicator. Strength of acids and bases. Acids contain hydrogen ions and bases contain hydroxyl ions. pH scale is used for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in solutions. In pH, P stands for potens, meaning strength in German. The pH scale ranges from 0, that is most acidic, to 14, that is most basic. A solution is acidic in nature if the pH value is between 0 and 7, neutral if value is 7, and alkaline or basic in nature if pH value lies between 7 to 14. The strength of base is represented by POH, that is concentration of hydroxyl ions. Strong acids give more number of hydrogen ions in aqueous solution, whereas weak acids give less. Strong alkalis give more number of hydroxyl ions in aqueous solution, whereas weak alkalis give less. Few examples of acids and bases in our daily life are: tamarind has tartaric acid, baking soda has sodium bicarbonate, sour milk has lactic acid, butter has butyric acid. Toothpaste has sodium hydroxide, carbonate and bicarbonates. Orange has citric acid. Roots of plant Valerum has valeric acid. Washing bleach has sodium hypochlorite. Red ants have formic acid. Lemon has citric acid. Honeybee has formic acid. Tomato has oxalic acid. Soap has triglycerides. Apple has malic acid. Importance of pH in and around you. Rainwater with pH lower than 7 indicates acidic rain, which is harmful for plants. When this rainwater flows into the rivers, it drastically affects the aquatic life in the rivers. Human body works within pH range of 7.35 to 7.45. The degradation of food particles by bacteria in the mouth produces acid with pH below 6. It results in corrosion of phosphates in enamel and thus causes tooth decay. pH of toothpaste is in between 8 to 10 on the pH scale, which helps in countering the effect of acid produced in the mouth. Low pH in the stomach due to hydrochloric acid helps in digestion of food. Acidity or indigestion problems can be cured by intake of antacids. Acids, bases and their reactivity. Reactivity with metals. Acids react with active metals to produce salt and hydrogen gas. Here, hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium to give magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Let us understand with the help of an activity. Take a glass test tube with a stopper having inlet for a gas passing tube. Add a few pieces of magnesium ribbon in the test tube and add dilute hydrochloric acid to it. We observe bubbling inside the tube. Take a burning candle near the gas passing tube. The flame goes off with a pop sound, confirming the evolution of hydrogen gas. This activity can be represented by the following equation, where magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid to give its salt magnesium chloride and evolve hydrogen gas. Bases react with active metals to form salt with the liberation of hydrogen gas. sodium hydroxide, the base, reacts with zinc, giving its salt, sodium zincate, along with the liberation of hydrogen gas. Sodium hydroxide reacts with aluminium in aqueous medium, giving its salt, sodium aluminate, along with liberation of hydrogen gas. Reactivity towards carbonates and bicarbonates of metals, metallic oxides and non-metallic oxides. Acids react with metal carbonates to form the corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water. Sodium carbonate, that is washing soda, react with hydrochloric acid, giving sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, also reacts with hydrochloric acid to give its salt, sodium chloride and water with the liberation of carbon dioxide. Evolution of carbon dioxide can be tested by passing it through lime water, which turns milky. Reactivity of acids with metallic oxides. As metallic oxides are basic in nature, they react with acid to form salt and water. Here, copper oxide, a metallic oxide, reacts with hydrochloric acid to give a salt of copper chloride and water. As metallic oxides are basic in nature, they do not react with bases. Reactivity of bases with non-metallic oxides. Metallic oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxides are acidic. Hence, these react together to form salt and water. For example, calcium hydroxide, which is a basic or metallic oxide, reacts with carbon dioxide, an acidic non-metallic oxide, giving salt and water. Reactivity of acid and base with each other. Acids react with base to form salt and water. This reaction is termed as neutralization reaction. Effect of the acid is neutralized by the base and vice versa. This neutralization is indicated by indicators such as phenolphthalein. Ionization of acids and base in an aqueous medium. Acids and bases ionize, that is, dissociate into ions in an aqueous medium. Acids generate H+, that is, hydrogen ions, which combine with water and form hydronium ion H3O+. Bases generate OH-, that is, hydroxyl ions. Thus, the representation for neutralization reaction can be given as the hydrogen ions of acids react with hydroxyl ions of bases, forming water, and the anions of acid react with the cations of bases, forming salt. The salts formed by the neutralization of an acid by base can be classified into three types, depending upon the type of acid and base. Acidic salts are made from strong acid and weak base, and the resulting solution has pH value less than 7. Basic salts are made from weak acid and strong base, and the resulting solution has pH value more than 7. Neutral salts are made from strong acid and strong base, and the resulting solution has pH value equal to 7. Common salt NaCl. Sodium chloride NaCl is the salt of strong base NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, and strong acid HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Impure sodium chloride is brown in color, called rock salt, while purified form is colorless, crystalline ionic compound. NaCl heated at high temperature converts into molten state called fused state, which conducts electricity. When fused sodium chloride is electrolyzed, chlorine gas is liberated at anode and sodium is deposited at cathode. When electricity is passed through 10% aqueous solution of sodium chloride, known as brine, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Chlorine gas is liberated at anode and hydrogen gas at cathode, respectively. Sodium chloride is a fundamental ionic compound used in preparation of other salts such as sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, etc. Sodium bicarbonate and bleaching powder. Sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate and baking soda. It is a white amorphous powder with chemical formula NaHCO3. It is alkaline in nature and when heated strongly decomposes to give sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. Sodium bicarbonate or baking soda is extensively used in baking of cakes, bread, etc. it is used as an antacid. It is also one of the constituents of fire extinguishers as it liberates carbon dioxide easily. Bleaching powder CaOCl2. This is a white powder with a strong odor. It is prepared by the reaction of slaked lime, calcium hydroxide with chlorine and is represented by the formula CaOCl2. Bleaching powder, when exposed to air, reacts with carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to produce calcium carbonate and chlorine. Bleaching powder, also known as chloride of lime, generates chlorine called available chlorine. Various bleaching powder brands are classified on the basis of available chlorine. It is used for bleaching action in textile industry, paper industry, laundry, as a disinfectant, and also in preparation of organic solvent, that is chloroform, which is used as an anesthetic. Washing soda and water of crystallization. Sodium carbonate, washing soda, Ne2CO3.10H2O. Washing soda is formed from decomposition of sodium bicarbonate represented by formula Na2CO3.10H2O and is basic in nature. Sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, giving corresponding salts with the evolution of carbon dioxide. Washing soda is used as a cleansing agent. It is used in the manufacture of detergent powder, paper and glass, and in refining of petroleum. Water of crystallization. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in the crystal structure of certain compounds loosely bounded to it. These salts, on heating or exposure to air, lose water of crystallization and turn into anhydrous form. For example, Ne2CO3.10H2O, that is washing soda, CuSO4.5H2O, that is hydrated copper sulfate, CaSO4.2H2O, that is gypsum, etc. are some of the compounds having water of crystallization. Soap as a salt. When oils or fats are boiled with aqueous solution of sodium or potassium hydroxide, we get sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid. These salts are known as Soap. Hydrolysis of fats or oils in presence of alkali, that is, alkaline hydrolysis, is known as saponification. Concept map. Substances can be acids or bases or neutral compounds which are indicated by indicators. The strength of acids is represented by pH and the strength of bases is represented by pOH. Acids and bases react with metals, non-metals, carbonates, bicarbonates, and also with each other, forming salts useful in day-to-day life, such as sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonates, soap, bleaching powder, etc. Some salts have water of crystallization, such as Ne2CO3.10H2O.